I love Himesh Reshamya's account, man.
Do you mean the real Himesh Reshamya or Himesh doing things?
Oh yeah! I love that account. All-time favorite cuisine? Mughlai.
Do you cook also?
Butter chicken.
अरे
This boy, I don't know कौन से गाँव में था, ईंट की दीवार के वो है तड़प तड़प के इस दिन और उसकी मम्मी बाल्टी से पानी डाल उसके ऊपर it's really hilarious. मैं तुम्हें बता नहीं सकता श्वेता, मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए हैं. I have been a part of the series और वो ट्रेलर देख के मुझे खुद को लग रहा है, oh my god, हमने क्या बना दिया है यार. People know, okay, this is what Rithvik is.
Right.
So and that was a huge baggage for me. So for me to carry that baggage forward and play a character where I have to shed all of that and make sure that the audiences at no point do they see Rithvik Dhanjani. तुम्हें बता नहीं सकता श्वेता, मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए हैं. I have been a part of the series और वो ट्रेलर देख के मुझे खुद को लग रहा है, oh my god, हमने क्या बना दिया है यार. I am so blessed to be a part of a series like this. I am so happy, I can't tell you. Oh my god.
I already love the enthusiasm. I didn't even get a chance to welcome you formally, but yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the very amazing, the heartthrob Rithvik Dhanjani, and we can already see how excited you are for Cartel.
Very excited, very overwhelmed, very happy about everything that's happening. So I'm so happy. Thank you for having me.
Of course, I have been really wanting to speak to you for a very long time now. I'm glad it could finally happen through Cartel. So I'm really glad that's there. Over the years, we've all seen you rather, in such amazing roles, in roles that have always left an impact on the viewers, these really sweet, romantic, good boy kind of roles, So Cartel is completely different. Is that a conscious decision to break out of the mold and, do something different?
Absolutely a very conscious decision. This wasn't really the prototype that I usually am used to. It wasn't a role that would usually be offered to me, because I would always be offered, a certain like you said, like the good boy image, like the lover boy, like the romance, and I would always be offered things like that. And not that I don't love it, I love romance. मेरे अंदर बहुत आशिकी है मेरे अंदर. I love romance, and there is romance in everything that I do in my life. But as an actor, I think this was very much needed, very important for me to sort of course, break out and tell people that, I love this kind of stuff as well. I can do this kind of stuff as well. Yeah. So I think this was a very conscious decision, and I was really lucky, touch wood, that I could be part of such a magnanimous series. I am so blessed.
Well, just a few more days now it will release, and we're going to see you in this completely different avatar. So from the trailer and everything else that we're seeing, it's a completely different vibe altogether, be it the accent, be it the look. I mean, it's just Rithvik Dhanjani 2.0, completely different. What do you have to say about that? The entire swag that you carry in the character and all of that. The dialect, it's completely different. Your look is different. Tell me a little about that.
Absolutely everything. It was very important for me to sort of see, because I do a lot of reality television. People have always seen what Rithvik is like. Yeah. You know how I talk, how I behave, the kind of, probably to an extent, the kind of human that I am, because I am myself on all my reality shows, and you can sort of sense that. Yeah. So people know, okay, this is what Rithvik is.
Right.
So that was a huge baggage for me. So for me to carry that baggage forward and play a character where I have to shed all of that and make sure that the audiences at no point do they see Rithvik Dhanjani.
Let's do something fun now. I have very small segment called Quick 10 with Rithvik Dhanjani.
Okay, quick 10. Okay. Yes. What is this about? Tell me.
It's just completely random questions about you and your choices, just so that your fans can also get to know you a little better. So just very random basic questions, okay? So I'll start with an easy one. which is, what is the best thing about being an actor?
To be able to live different lives in just one lifetime.
Lovely. And like every coin has a flip side, what is the worst thing or something that you don't like about being an actor? Anything like that?
There is nothing that I not like. I don't like about my profession and about my job. I love every bit of it. I don't think there's anything that I don't like. I love it.
Okay. A place that you would want to visit next?
Himachal.
Beautiful. Okay. And will it be a solo trip or like a trip with friends? What kind of trips do you understand?
Anything. I'm excited about solo trips. I'm excited about friends. But I want to be mountains. I really want to go to the mountains. I've been wanting to for a while now.
One question that you hate answering while giving interviews?
Yeah, I love all the questions, even though they're repetitive. So many times it's very repetitive questions, but yeah, I don't really not enjoy answering. थोड़ा बोर हो जाता हूँ after a point of time क्योंकि same question बार-बार होता है, but I don't not like it.
Okay, but I mean, there are people, you know, I mean, I've spoken to a few actors about this, and there are actors who are not really comfortable talking about, for example, you know, their personal life or just stuff like that. So you're completely okay with everything. That's what you're saying.
I mean, yeah, pretty much. I do get a little, dongled up when they ask me questions about my personal life because I don't know how to. Because everyone knows everything, you know. Like our lives are out there for people to know, and we chose this for ourselves. I do get a little tangled up in those questions, but I try to be graceful and be kind about them as well because I understand the emotion of person who's asking it. So it's absolutely.
Okay, but I'm not going to tangle you in those questions, so don't worry about that.
Thank you, Shweta.
Okay, your favorite Instagram account? Do you like to sort of go to any Instagram account, or like there are different genres of Instagram account, if I can say so, like different kinds where people, you know, there are people who like sports, so there are people who like art or like travel, anything like that?
I like a few. I like this Instagram account called Cash Bunny. She's a cinematographer and she makes these, and a VFX director artist. She makes these mind-boggling videos of you know, yeah. I don't know how she does it. It's brilliant. Her craft is so amazing. I love her account. We have a lot of meme accounts here. We have a lot of meme accounts. The Alpha Man, the Error 69, Dekh Bhai. Those guys are really amazing. They're so freaking creative, yeah. It is mind blowing of how you guys, and it's an art. I respect all these memers because I think they are genuinely so creative. We need to learn from them. I learn from them of how creative can one person be. It is out of this world. It's out of my understanding. They're so creative. I love their accounts. I love them.
You know, now that you talk about memers and all of those pages, there's one page called TikTok Cringe Pop. That is hilarious. You should check it out.
I have seen it.
They take TikToks in
I love it. They're freaking crazy about the TikTok videos that they make and those. I had a visual of this boy. I don't know कौन से गाँव में था, ईंट की दीवार इस तरह और उसकी मम्मी बाल्टी से पानी डाल उसके ऊपर. Oh, fuck, it's really hilarious. It's really hilarious. They're mad.
I love that one particular page, and especially the captions that they put sometimes. It's just hilarious. So yeah, that's one page.
Hey, by the way, I also have one more thing. I love Himesh Reshamya's account.
Do you mean the real Himesh Reshamya or Himesh doing things?
Oh yeah! I love that account. Himesh doing things is brilliant. Oh my god, it's one of my favorites.
Love it.
Exactly. That's really cool. Really cool. We have similar tastes, Shweta.
Yes, I love it.
Yeah.
I love that. Your all-time favorite cuisine?
My all-time favorite cuisine? Mughlai.
Do you cook also?
Butter chicken.
Arey.
I can't cook to save my life. I can't. मैंने एक बार रोटी बनाई थी, तो वो रोटी से मतलब मेरी बहन की मतलब वो कंधे वंदे पे लग गई थी क्योंकि मैंने फेंक के मार दी.
I thought जल गई थी, like your sister got फेंक के मार.
जलने के बाद वो थोड़ी सी पत्थर हो गई थी, तो मैंने उसको पसंद नहीं आई, तो मैंने फेंक के मारी थी, उसको कंधे पे लग गई थी, इतनी कड़क थी वो रोटी। आज तक तोड़ने की कोशिश करी, टूटी नहीं।
Oh God. Okay, that is hilarious. Okay, your all-time favorite movie that you can watch over and over again.
So many like that. Oh my God. I can watch The Intern over and over again.
Beautiful.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara over and over again. Rockstar over and over again. Lutera over and over again. My God, so many such films. Sherlock. Anytime, as many times as you tell me. I can in fact decipher all the cases of Sherlock if you want me to. We could begin with the pink suitcase.
Guys, I think this is like really, he's really trying to get out of the mold and really want to be really want to be in a detective role.
Yeah, I'm throwing it out to the universe. I am the next Sherlock. Hey universe, if you're listening to me, I am the next Sherlock. I'm the next Sherlock.
Do you believe in the universe? Do you believe in this?
Absolutely. The power of belief is what has really helped me through my life. You know,
Yeah.
I literally visualize myself being at places and I'm there. Sooner or later, that is not in my hands, but I don't know how the universe conspires it.
I know.
Like I was looking forward, like for 2.5 years, I was waiting for a day where I'm going to be starting and talking about Abhay.
Yeah.
I was waiting for the world to see what he's going to do, and I literally had imagined of people's reactions when they will see me for the first time in an avatar like that. I have literally seen all of this in my head over and over again, and I see it happening in real life today. So I totally believe in the power of the universe. Absolutely.
You know, I completely believe you. I completely second that because I really believe in the universe and, just setting expectations and setting goals and just visualizing yourself, having manifestations and all of that. And I think it's just like, there is something out there which is listening to us at the end of the day.
Absolutely. There is something out there. Some people call it God. Some people call it light. Some people call it, your inner voice. I mean, people have different names, different shapes and forms and everything of this one unique energy. But it's definitely there.
100%. Okay. If you could meet a person from the past, somebody who's no more with us, who would it be?
I would like to meet Irfan Khan.
Oh, lovely. Have you ever met him though?
Very briefly, we've worked on one show that I was hosting. Very briefly, but when you ask me if I want to meet, sit across him and complain that I complained to God that He took him away from us too soon. That's not right. It's not right. Like it's not right at all.
For all your fans out there, is there anything that you would want to say to them now that Cartel is going to be releasing on Alt, Balaji and MX?
Yes, MX Player Gold. Yes. So Cartel is releasing on MX Player Gold and on Alt Balaji on the 20th of August, guys. दोस्तों बहुत प्यार से, बहुत दिल से और मैंने बहुत समय देके इस शो को हम सब ने खड़ा किया है. I really hope and pray कि आपको पसंद आए. Please watch, please tell us कि आपको कैसा लगा. मैंने genuinely बहुत कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश की. I've never been a part of a character like that. So I really hope आपको पसंद आए. And I'm crossing my fingers. Ganpati Bappa.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Rithvik. It was so nice talking to you. Even though this was the first time. First of many, and yes, and really looking forward to Cartel, and like that we spoke about so much. I'm even more interested now, especially after watching the trailer and speaking to you. So I can already sense the enthusiasm and excitement. I've got that vibe here. So I'm definitely going to watch it and super excited for it. Thank you so much for connecting and all the very best.
Thank you, Shweta. Thank you. You have a good day. Thank you, guys.